In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Stripe payment notifications with Zapier. By the end, you'll have a reliable system that alerts you whenever money comes in, so your team stays informed without constantly checking dashboards. Start by opening Zapier and creating a new Zap for the Trigger app. Choose Stripe. You'll see several trigger events. Pick the one that best matches how you track payments. New charge is great for immediate one-off card payments. Checkout session completed is ideal if you use Stripe Checkout and want to be notified only after a successful checkout. New subscription works well if your business relies on recurring billing and you want alerts when a new subscription starts. Choosing the right trigger here ensures your notifications are timely and relevant. Next, connect your Stripe account. Authenticate securely so Zapier can read your payment data. Make sure you are connecting the correct Stripe environment, test mode for trial runs, live mode for real payments so your alerts reflect what you expect. If your Stripe workspace has multiple accounts, double-check you've selected the right one to avoid confusion. Now run a test on the trigger. Zapier will try to pull in a recent transaction from Stripe. This sample helps you preview real fields like amount, currency, and customer email, and makes it easier to design the notification content. If no sample appears, ensure you have at least one recent transaction in the environment you selected. Add your action step to decide where notifications should go. If you prefer a record in your inbox, choose email or Gmail and compose a custom subject and body. For immediate, on-the-go alerts, select SMS by Zapier or WhatsApp. Some channels may require a quick connection step, so follow any prompts you see. Configure the notification by mapping Stripe data into your message. Include the amount, currency, and customer email to give instant clarity. Consider adding the payment description or status for context. Tip: Stripe amounts often come in the smallest currency unit, so format the number clearly to avoid confusion. Keep messages concise and avoid sensitive details, only include what your team truly needs. Finally, turn on the Zap. From now on, whenever your chosen Stripe event occurs, your notification will fire automatically, keeping you in the loop without lifting a finger. That's it, your automated Stripe payment notifications are live. Thanks for watching.